Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Chaitali and today we'll be doing a very informative video and we'll be talking about essential oils as you can see from the title. So I was just going through all the skincare and hair care videos which are there on the internet, and I realized that so many of them incorporate the use of essential oils, but there are so many people out there who still not know as to how to use essential oils and which essential oil is used for what purpose. So here I'll just quickly go through the types of essential oils which are there in the market and which essential oil is used for which purpose, and finally as to how you should use them, because there is a particular way in which we use essential oils. The first most popular essential oil which I'm going to talk about today is tea tree oil. So if you are the type of person who has a lot of acne on their face or pimples on their face or these dark spots on their face, which are so stubborn and they are not refusing to go away at all, you must use tea tree oil. It is such a acne killer. It is antibacterial, it is antifungal, it is antiviral, it is a very strong antioxidant. So what it does, it really gets you get rid of all the blemishes, get rid of all the scars, of all the pimples, of all the acne which is there. So for a person who has a lot of acne or has an acne prone skin in general, you must use tea tree essential oil. And when it comes to hair care, if you have dandruff, then also you can use tea tree oil because it is very powerful in removing dandruff. So tea tree oil is for dandruff and for people who have acne prone skin and wants a clearer, blemish free, acne free skin in general. Now coming to the second oil is lavender oil. Now lavender oil has recently been so popular. So the most common use, I'll tell you very honestly, for lavender oil is to kind of calm down the senses, to actually how do I say it? It just calms down your senses, your nerves. It just calms you down, soothes everything. So what I know, a lot of people, even my parents, do it. They take some oil, put few drops of lavender essential oil in it and massage their forehead while sleeping, and what it does, it really calms you down. So lavender oil is very good for people who kind of have a problem while sleeping. It You can try it out and it will really calm your mind down. It's a really good oil for that. And so if you are the kind of person who's suffering from a lot of hair fall and you want to grow it back, you can definitely check out lavender oil and use it, because again it is very helpful in stimulating the blood flow on into your scalp area and helping with the hair growth. So lavender oil is basically to calm down the senses and for the hair growth. Also, if you are someone from the extremely dry skin family, you can add a few drops of lavender oil into your moisturizer and then rub it all onto your body. So lavender oil is a very good moisturizing agent, and it will, if you have any dryness, then you can definitely use lavender oil because it really moisturizes your skin very well. Now coming to the third oil, we have peppermint oil. So peppermint oil, I've seen so many DIY hacks about lip plumping, and then I thought that I was so scared to use the lip plumping device which was there, on Instagram and everywhere. So I made my own DIY lip scrub with peppermint oil, and peppermint oil works wonders as a lip plumper. So for all of those of you who want to exfoliate their lips and make them a little plump, you can definitely check out peppermint oil and add 2 to 3 drops of the peppermint essential oil into your lip scrub and then scrub your lips. Oh my god, it's tingly at first and it kind of plumps your lips in such a natural way. It looks so beautiful, and it looks really nice and it's natural, so it's not harmful as well. Also, for people who are suffering from hair loss and want to grow it back, peppermint oil is also a very great essential oil for growing your hair back. So you can actually do a mix of both lavender oil and peppermint oil and add a few drops to your hair mask or to your regular coconut oil or whatever olive oil you use, and massage it into your hair for like a very good hair growth. Now also peppermint oil is very useful for people who have a lot of headaches. So you just have to take 2 or 3 drops of the essential oil onto your hand and rub it onto your forehead and onto your neck and onto the back of the neck as well. So it's really very good in relieving stress and also soothing the headaches which you get. So now coming to lemon oil. For people who want to kind of brighten their skin and who have uneven texture on their skin, they can use lemon oil. Also, lemon oil is great in fading away your old acne scars and also for people who are dealing with hyperpigmentation. So also, if you're from the oily skin family, you can use lemon oil, and you can add 2 or 3 drops of it to your moisturizer and apply it, so it helps in oil control as well. For also, when it comes to hair, for people who have oily hair, you can again use lemon oil, and it will help in controlling your oil and would add such a gorgeous shine to your hair. So people who have oily skin and oily hair can definitely check lemon oil out. So now coming on to how to use essential oils. So essential oils are very potent in nature. So you don't get like 100 ml or 200 ml bottle of an essential oil. It's generally 10 ml, 30 ml, maximum 50 ml. So how do we use an essential oil? We never ever use essential oil directly onto our skin, onto our scalp. No, we always dilute it first. So if you want to use, say, tea tree oil, you can dilute it in aloe vera gel, you can dilute it in your moisturizer, add 2 to 3 drops of it in your face mask which you're using or in your hair mask you're using. So you always dilute any essential oil and then use it, because it is so strong that it might burn your skin. So for skincare, you can add 1 or 2 drops to your moisturizer and then apply it onto your skin. Similarly, for if you're using a face mask or a hair mask, then also you can take a few drops, 2, 3, 4 drops, and then mix it in your face mask and apply it all over your face or all over your hair, whatever. But again, as I told you, it has to be diluted at all the times. I've also seen a lot of people who use it in their toner. So what they do is they take their toner and they take 2 to 3 drops of the same essential oil and mix it in their toner and spray it all over their face. So that can also be done. For I know there are a lot of people who also use tea tree oil for this spot treatment. It can be used. So if a big pimple pops out, say here, you just take a cotton bud, dip it into tea tree oil and just apply it onto the pimple. So it will disappear overnight. So that is it about this video. If you have any other questions, then please leave them down below. I'll be very happy to answer them. If you want to know about more essential oils, then you can always leave me a message on my Instagram or on the comment section down below, and I'll be really happy to assist you guys further. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not till now, and like this video, because the more you like and comment and share it, I am able to reach more of all the viewers and spread this information all across. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.